Mama, when they have almost 2,500 euro. 2,500 euro. Now they in hand.
Una open account together.
No, say as me come, my document they never give me my document. Now if me work, I will give her, say me help me put her for a poster. If me work, I don't say me help me put her for a poster. Now so money they 2,500 euro. Now they me tell me say he no needs me again. He say me no, say he no need me. Say I not feel conceive for her because say I'm not good. He go tell me say me go outside. He come they beat me yesterday night, they blow me, they beat me yesterday night, he push me fast, I come there, I reach around to, I was okay now. I say you don't push me fast now. Make me just carry all my things, go outside now. Ask me just enter now you threw all my load to give me. Now outside now day now.
So you just throw away your load, you there outside?
Now outside now.
Now where you there for Italy?
Now La Mesia, Radio Calabria.
Your husband is from where?
For Okwale.
Okay, now Nigeria man.
Yes.
You are from where?
Me for Edo State. Isha.
You be Isha. How old are you?
I be 24 years.
24 years. 24 years now you take the man wait away your load. How old he dey?
He go don't reach the man almost 30 something. 30 something. Tell me say you don't need me.
No what another man go carry you enter. Opiano not there available at 24 years in no one mulawa. No need for you. You go enter. I go carry you give one man. Nah. No just cry.
When me want stay, and I be it.
But you go stay with the person now. I go give you person where not get house. That person will get house. So that you go carry a car, come to help you pack things direct to another man's house. The most important thing, you get good character. If this one not still get character, you still live on. Not kill yourself because of a man. Okay?
Okay, ma.
Where you dey? In near Torino?
No, for Calabria. La Mesia, Calabria.
La Mesa, na Italy?
Italy.
Okay. And can you put the man for make a talk with the man? Be not me. No need.
Wait, I will write the man number for you.
I'm blessed.
I will write the man number.
Jesus, I'm blessed.
I will write the man number. Now this is near Rosano.
Because me, I be want to talk to the man. I be say me put the man John this line, make her answer. Not be say tomorrow go say you already don't carry my wife, give another person. Me dey ground now we go carry you. 24 years.
No. He dey sleep. The man dey sleep. He dey sleep. I mean, mommy, help me out. Help me.
But it not be help. I want help you now. No cry. I go help you. If he refuse you, I'll carry you give another person. Okay, Eshama or Binima. By the grace of God, the one we go respect you. So far, may you get good character.
Okay, ma. I get character, mommy. I get character.
You get children before?
I get one for Nigeria.
Okay, you get one pikin for Nigeria. You did 24 years.
I get one for Nigeria. Since when me and I know, since when me and I know, since then I never conceived.
Not worry, God go do it. You will get belly. If you not get belly for her, you'll get belly for another man. Yeah? Not worry, God will do it for you. You are young. God bless you. Bye-bye. I go help you, Jimmy. But where you nice? Oh, I put up for video call. Make I see you.
Okay.
May I see how you be before Mark can reject you? You were there 22 years. Now 22 years you did. I be on
24 years.
24 years now you did. You be like person were there 40-something years.
No.
May I see your back and front? Set the phone for one place. May I see your back and front? 24 years. If me and you stand, they will just say you senior me now. Me wait there 49 years. Go back. I want to see you where. You get breast, you get nyash. No, not carry your hand, go up. Carry your hand, easy. But your body don't make back like this. You just say you know your age. Yeah. But who can get this place where you did? So who get her?
Now, for yes, we dey pay as rent. We dey pay as rent for Italy here.
You fresh. Your breast never fall. So they're not the beg man, make man law person. They're not the beg man. All those things are rubbish. Go man go tell you say come up from my house. You still the beg and make you stay. Never pay your bride price. Now when he puts money for your head, you go say where you want to make her go. Now you don't pay my bride price. But if a man never pay your bride price, he say make you go. You don't even need to beg her. If you beg, you just be like say you are too cheap. You be mumu. So what I go do be say, I don't want call, I no go call. I see your luggage. It outside you do. Oh my God. Oh, wara side the wag megume. A bossy man, yani gwaloku warelania. Is there any man that is looking for a woman? Is available this morning? You have a house that you can keep. Not sure, just wait like this. See her things for outside. See her, not be outside be this. Her luggage there outside. Is there any man that is available? Wherever you are looking for a woman. This girl, she's 24 years. She's available. 24 years, oh, so cool. He make back, he get back and front. Now Italy, she day. See her things, so that make you carry your car, go pack her things, enter house. Wala wo okbiaroa. Ti otwere no gwaloku wono do moku. Ovie sa no. Ovie sa working, they can work revotesa. Show me your face. Now let me want to see you now. They can work revotesa. Talk now.
Because he pack my things for outside. He pack my things outside.
But you say you be Asian. I said, where did you come from, Asia? Where's Asia?
I come for Egmont.
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 Are you sure you are from Asia?
Egmont.
Okay, Egmont. Overall, not available. This one, a man has to go direct. A man has, but next time, before you put your money for a man account, you need to be assured of that man. You need to say, this man, I trust him. You know, go chop this money. Because as you want go now, if not responsible man, he go give you your money. As well as say, he not give you your money, he just want to collect that money from you, but leave him for him. Baba God wait there ever. You know I tell the judge. If you you wrong, shall be well with him. But if not be you wrong, he will look for you and give you your money. Yeah? I not just like the way you see you go to say you don't pass 40 years. 24 years, you just be like this. Me wait there 49 years. Me wait there 49 years. I even young pass you. Why be say? Which kind of thickness be this one? Go just hold the past your age like this. The boy not they give you joy. No, they give you joy. Now they sleep together. If you're not there, inside bed, did they touch you?
Yes, now they say as Nami and they stay. Now they say as Nami and they stay. Last week, when we did the work, the woman can't die. When the woman can't die now, when the woman can't die, I can't dey as none. I can't dey as I not can't get work again. Now everybody got the pepper.
Okay. okay, before you be the supporter. As you don't go get work now, body con the pepper.
Body con the pepper.
Okay, body con the pepper. But if you not they sleep for bed every day, night they touch you. I be sometimes throughout the week, you know they touch you.
Maybe sometimes we will there for 3 months. We never do anything.
Sometimes I go there 3 months, you know they near you.
Sometimes you just do once.
Sometimes you go just do once. Once for inside 3 months. Eh?
Now so me I take this since 3 years now. Now so me I take this since 3 years.
You don't already say you be no girl and your enemy not too wise. Now people like you, now be him they fine, comfortable housewife. Now people like you.
Me because I don't need problem. I don't need problem. I just respect her. I don't need any small time. Any small thing, it would beat me. It would use beds. It would use blow. They scatter all my body. See all here. Oh yeah,
now he beat you like this. Yeah, how can you allow a man to touch you? How many times he don't beat you?
Say so.
Why you not call him police? Why you not go report her? He mark it there your body. Go police station, go tell police. They not they give chance to man like that, make they beat you every time. Eh? Go just kill you for nothing. Another woman will come sit down there. Don't accept, eh? As he touch you that first time, second time, you go warn her. So if you touch me again, you go video yourself, cry, go meet police people. You go get problem. No, give. All the women, don't give a man chance. Remember, they beat you. This is not Africa. Now, when you don't know law, now you go say you pity. And they're not a pity man where they beat person. Don't try it. Okay, you man like you, well, let him go. Why, woman like it, when we go? Not be all relationship, they last forever. So I turn you to old woman. Huh? Me were there for 49 years, a young person. For the 24 years, it just be like say it there 50 years. For what now? Many of you they inside like that. Relationship, now not they get peace, not found our way. Make I see whether I go see man where they available this morning. The responsible one, and I don't know. They go say they go there for work. Huh? Is there any man that is available? This man, this girl, she's available. As I'm talking right now, she's outside. She needs a man that will comfort her to your own house. A responsible man. A man that knows the value. A man that near woman every day. Even if you not make love. If you not sleep, if they hold you for bed. You know they hold you. Now wait till me, I hate be this. I hate her. Two people go there by husband and wife. You know go hold you. I hate her. Ah, cha. Now wait till keep me pass. So as you know they hold you for bed, wait till you they feel. You they feel good to Rabbi, they feel bad to her.
Sunday, what I would do now? What I would sometimes I just they lock up. I gotta say nobody say carry me con Europe. I say nobody say carry me con Europe. All this and let me sometimes I just they look at sometimes I just they look at. I say after all, no me that one carry me con Europe. Now all this now they think sometimes.
I not the judge anybody. I not the judge her. Before a woman things go there outside, I'm talking about she were there outside. I not the talk of the man with you. That one not concern me. Any man where they stay with a woman, you go stay with a woman for inside bed. You not go hold your wife. You not love her. Why una they deceive una say? Why una they deceive una say? What you una they talk? I been at today we start to the follow. I was born and brought up yesterday. I got a friend boy 20-something years ago. Not be like that. When two couples they bed, you must hold your wife. You must put your hand for your wife body. Your wife too go see hold you. Not be so now just day 1 week, 2 weeks, so how they touch each other. Una think say that woman go happy with you now. Even if the woman not ask you now. Una think say the woman will be happy with you now. Because say na mumu she be. There is no woman in this world, all man abroad. Unless that woman don't love you. Because when you don't love a man, you don't care. But say you know, say that woman love you. Una will sleep on the same bed till daybreak without touching her. This will not be a shower matter. We are talking about carries love. What it be a shower? Now road the go stand. What it want happen now, my sister? You don't watch me. What I do on Facebook, Mommy Yore page. Watch me, make I look for man for you. Bye bye.
Okay.
I'll call you back. No off your phone.
Okay.
Piano here, I'm no domu. Why me no man why lele. Person go they tell now say, see how person they live. Do you not know? Say if you know they touch you and your wife, when I know they touch each other for bed, the woman go quit holds. Fuck is not everything. Fuck not be every day. If a woman they fuck every day, go to peaceful house, age of 60 years. Romance is more important. Why Oyibo they go, make they go they massage them? Why Oyibo go build a place where you can go, people go massage you, go. The same thing, when someone puts his hand for your body, they massage you too. How can you now deal with a woman 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 months, una not the near that woman? After I go say the woman go fuck for her side. If you beluwa. Wa ma love ko wa vian le lo wa. Where me odo have no love gbe. Why love you the same bed? E deke do gbe, no pe your boka we, no pe kiss you we. Na the craze. Which kind of darkness relationship be that one, na? Na so na papa te do one. Na so na father te do one, mumu people. After na go the car say the woman they hide secret. Why woman not go hide secret to give una? Let down the same bed with 3 months. You not go touch the girl. After na go say na not get luck for woman. How na want to get luck? One na not sabi play love. What did the make woman they release? What did the make woman they happy? What did the make woman they support man? Not be love. Because this thing is getting too much for many home. But one we are bondage. After I go say Europe women not good. Europe women not good. They're too spoiled. If your wife not spoiled for your body, now outside the one go spoil. Okay, see no girl. A girl 24 years, a man go sleep with her. 3 months, you know they near her. What are you people saying? Una they craze? Una way they that way they do that kind of thing. Una they craze? Man, I know they follow woman again. All the turn all women like mad people. Many of them they drink today now because of una. Many of them they chop like mumu today now because of una. Why here? Oh, to ame wa kube beti ake mimiao. Now the craze. One of the Jews then like said they be mumu. One now go carry to one way not love una now. Now call the crash say una not get luck. But if you na see woman way love una go say na mumu it be. Now me God go to punish all of una. All the men where they useless woman, where go put woman for us, you know they near her for bed. Now bad woman I God go take give una. Bad woman where go they cheat for my head. Woman where go say you go ask and say give me fuck. He go tell you say no. I not go give you this my toto. Now that kind of woman I God go give you now. Now God go give you now. All the men where they punish woman for her, where go sleep with a woman, you not go touch her till daybreak. Now bad woman, a woman that will praise you now, a woman that will fight you now, a woman that will knock you now. Now God go give you now in the name of Jesus. If you not drink water, so shall it be. Because some women take. If you ask them, say, come on, make love, go tell you, are you mad? Now me go tell you when you go make love with me. Some women do like that. Now that kind of women I God go give you now. Now you go, they tell her, say, that's 6 months now. Eh, my wife, 6 months, you never give me anything. Go say, what is wrong with you? I told you when I'm hungry, I will let you know. What is 6 months? Now that kind woman, God will give you now. Now that kind woman, I fit you now. Not be woman where just release himself, free himself. Woman where if he want sleep, he go wear suit. He go wear pants. He go wear suit. He go wear bra. Now that kind of woman, I God will give you now. God not go give you a woman where they expose himself. Woman where you want sleep, you go live in bed so that may your husband for touch her. What is the meaning? If woman want sleep with a man, you go live in breast. What you not say me? Huh? What you not say me? If your wife want lie down with you for bed, not they wear anything. What you not say me? Now just to don't nickel go lie down. No, because you know say you go touch her. You know say your body go touch her. You know say your skin go touch her. That is the reason why your wife come up bra, come up pint, enter bed. So at the end of the day, you will still carry your body near, go another side. You not go near her. After you go say you love her. If that girl, if in a good thing, now this girl not go talk him now. If in a good thing this boy do, this girl not go talk him. Because the thing they pain, they say you go to beer her. You go to beer her. You go to beer her. Now so many of them, they beer her. The day we go full like this, they go cry, come on. Or they go run, come up for the relationship. They beer her, they beer her, they beer her. When I say they go just beer her forever. No, not go bear forever. If you never lose better thing, wanna get, una not go know. Una never lose better thing, wanna get. Una not go know where una belongs to. Now, so God take the punish her. Any good woman for this life, God will give you the best man. Any good man for this life, God will give you the best man. I'm okay, you wow. If you look at this guy, no clothes. The man not a buy clothes. Mommy, what me say calling now? Waga video now. Wagwa play love. Wagwa go wagwa guan. Why le loko? Cause if not so, no be. And who also 20. Also 20. I know Solomon ya wagmowa. Why be a dwat a dwata coach? Why be a leya? Cause of you character down one. See, a young girl like this, see how he holds passing age. How will you went away? Your daughter will come meet you like they go hold. Pick you 24 years, it be like child of 50 years. Lack of happiness. Hello, God bless you. He said, Osa Ichiwa, teme. Osa Guero. Getting uno years away.
27 years.
27 years. Moi, a video call, ni beg we do responsible.
Okay.
J'avoue. $27 years. Where's that on your corner? 27 years ago, Jenna. A bit at his something.
Yes. No, 27 years.
Well, I can with you. Ọ̀rọ̀ wa kan ike akan we pan ya gbe pa yo a
opotiti no
opotiti wa le yo to be yana were gbe nya wa ni ge we bo no we ye je ba we ameti mu moto ya vio iya bu me moto
ime moto ime wa mo wa no wa di pa we jan
o be san we here you be sure
yes.
And we have moto but what's no manage win na
last year.
Ewe video wa ya ni megele ewu wonyawa. Kasi ma onu wote o veni yenyogi wewe nyog. But etani ejeba we ametijo ya gwevi ya.
Bekenoye.
Mema gomeri no baga no anu tie e baba. No wa bo wa de siso wie sanwe no pa wa ivakin. Wo? I meti oma yare no baga no.
Okay.
27 years of when you beje. Uwa ga e. Me iba like it be matriti ho. I like up be an eri ogogo no ho. Ikue. Saloba no gele. Le mi ya gele ma. Imi akie. Ye kie bani. Any man not treat up be bad. We bo Nigeria. Ya muti ajo. Ma say no to that. What be ari ogogo no ho. Ri ogogo ne. Uki se egbe ye oho. Ije. Egbe ye oho. Uki se uyo bomu no enwe. Ujo bomu no ikpe enwe. Uri ame lalo egbe. U lalo eko. Uge eku okoni gele ekwe. Uri ame ya lalo eko. U lalo. Ajame ya lalo kwe yeke. Ohiri eri. Ugwe no obi wabese lalo dao. Ugwe no we toni yeke oge. Owe toni yeke. Owe jame bi ya lalo. Wa ajame ya gwe eku. Uri ame lalo wabese lalo. Uwe kise. Uwe kise obonu kise obo. Yasu wiye oge ke ya. Wa ale uli leko egbe ya. Wa se jame lalo we ho. Uwe gberi obo we le uwe gbe sheke. Ave te no uni olesi deto da we. Tomana da we to. Uzi obo yu we te. Ukpole. Uyo obo ya we gbe. Ida ya woko. Ekboko ni we. Oko ni we mana rogwa. Omina miwe. We mana rogwa bega wanoka we ofi we. But umana woko veri ono honu we wu. We ekbuki ha. Wale lokwo we. Wale lokbi ave. Nene style boy. My sister, I not call no number we take call me. Oh God, now in why it's okay. In Nigeria I'm learning now yati. Hello, God bless you.
Good morning, Mama.
God bless your sighting well. Mami di no ba me tebe gwalona.
Okay.
Ko saguwero. Wese e mana imana said the we gberi meba me won. Ko.
Okay.
Eri okake na awe. Mata metebe ma wa gbe no keke no ya awo ku wa akoko yi joro wese no na do mama e me no ko ni apolo se o pi alele ku ogo no ye no ri kun wa ise lele ku go no we mu ye kere o we mu ye kere we na u ya pe ye ke ma be ki ke boge ni we wa kisi ke be we gbo e dawo kan we akwa ere gba we oku eri o me ke dan eri e wa igo agwe o no ri enu we o ga ni we wo ke ga gwe digoji umana be go dachi but all the way apply ike bogen ukise ora jemina na eta me no to bo ekie we to bo ekie ne o ekie ne uwe o givinu musie oye nu nya akara wa we nya akara ni wa uwe o givinu musie uwa dede we betu nu wa mu dede wa pion ginegbe we wa pion ginegbe ne usun alalo egbe usun ajame yakpe egbe we se jame pe gbogbo no mu ye kebere omo ekoro to uwe gbe ri ame lele uri ame le eva